I'm going to try it, guys. Hello beautiful person watching this video, welcome to Healthy with Bena's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for watching. Today I just wanted to come on because I know that some of you have recently joined the family. Welcome. Make yourselves comfortable because we have lots of room in here, and I hope you find this space inspiring and motivating to start that healthy lifestyle or stay in it. Thank you so much again for joining. So today I am going to be making pepper steak. Now this is my first time to try this recipe out, and it was inspired by Nanaba's kitchen. Now I love Nanaba. I call her Auntie Nana. The reason why I really love watching her videos is because she has a really good command of culinary vocabulary. Now, you're not only going to learn recipes, but you're also going to improve on your culinary vocab, which is what I am doing. I will put the link to her YouTube channel below in the description box. Please subscribe to her channel and hopefully you learn as much as I have been doing. I hope that I make this recipe as close to her as possible. I'm going to put a healthy twist wherever possible, and I hope that you enjoy it and you get to try it soon. Please buckle up, make yourselves comfortable, enjoy the ride, and let's get right into the recipe. Just going to quickly run you through the ingredients we need to make our pepper steak, and then we can start cooking. So I'll start over here. I have some freshly crushed black pepper. I have some honey. I'm using some organic honey. I have some water right here. I have some xanthan gum. Now, in this recipe, Auntie Nana used corn starch. I am going to be using xanthan gum. This is a healthy thickener. I have used this so many times in my other recipes, especially my almond flour recipes, because it serves as a thickener basically. So I'm using xanthan gum. You can use other sauces. I've shared this before. You can use tapioca, you can use psyllium husk. There's other sources that are low in carbs. I have my chicken bouillon seasoning right here. I have my soy sauce. Now, she also used the dark and the light soy sauce, but I'm only using the light, low sodium soy sauce. I have my extra virgin olive oil right here. Some salt. Over here, I have my fresh produce. I have some red bell peppers, green bell peppers, some onion, ginger, and some garlic. And of course, the star of the show is the steak. Now, we are going to be using the flank cut of the steak. Now, this is one thing that I learned from this recipe, is that this is actually the best part to use in your steak, and it works so well. It melts in your mouth. It's so delicious. I have over here, I'm going to be serving this with my cauliflower rice. Now I have my cauliflower rice already. I already went ahead and riced it up. I shared previously how I rice my cauliflower. If you haven't checked that video before, I'm also going to put the link below in the description box so you can check it out. I'm going to be making lime and cilantro cauliflower. So I have here my freshly chopped cilantro, my lime juice over there, and some coconut oil to make that as well. So to start, family, I'm just going to quickly wash my hands and then we can start cooking. We are going to start first by prepping our fresh produce. So I will start with the bell peppers, the red bell peppers. Next, we are going to proceed and just slice our onions. And finally, for our garlic, fam, I'm just going to press it in here in my garlic press. I'll just clean this up quickly and then we can move on to our steak. For steak, I'm just going to thinly slice it like this. I'll make sure I turn my camera so you can see well, like so. So to marinate our meat, I'm going to go in with half of the ginger and half of the garlic, like so. And I will save the rest for to saute our vegetables later on. I'll also go in with half of the soy sauce. I'll go in with the chicken bouillon seasoning. I'll go in with half of the xanthan gum, half of the oil, black pepper, and the honey. And I'm just going to wash my hands one more time. And I'll just mix this up to combine properly. I'm just going to cover this up for about 30 minutes. I'll set it to the side. While our meat is marinating, we are going to form a slurry. So the slurry is going to serve like a sauce for our steak. So I just added some water. I'm going to add the rest of the soy sauce, some black pepper, and the xanthan gum. I'm just going to use my whisk to just whisk it up properly. You want to make sure that it combines. I'm just going to set this aside. Our meat has marinated for 30 minutes, and I have my non-stick skillet right here. I just turn on the heat to medium, and we are going to be cooking the meat in the skillet before we transfer it and cook the vegetables separately, and then we mix them up. You're gonna let your meat cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then I'm going to transfer it. For the last part, I'm going to transfer it, guys. Meat has been cooked and I set it to the side, and I have here my wok. I'm just going to cook the vegetables in here. So to that, I just added some olive oil, and I'm going to go in with the rest of our garlic and ginger. I'm going to add some crushed black pepper, some salt, and you don't want to overcook your ginger and garlic. I'm just going to add in the rest of the vegetables, and I'll cook them on high heat right now. And in order for your vegetables to retain the color, you want to make sure that you're cooking them on high heat so that they don't become mushy too. So our vegetables have been cooking for about 3 minutes. I'm going to go in right now with our slurry. And I'll go back in with our steak. As you add in your steak, just make sure to stir it, still on high heat. Also make sure that your salt and your pepper taste at this point. And like I mentioned before, you want to make sure that your vegetables, you cook them to your desired doneness. I'm just going to turn off the heat at this point. because I think that we are all good. As you can see, it looks gorgeous. So we are done cooking our steak and I have my skillet back on heat. I'm ready to start cooking our cauliflower rice. To that I just added a drizzle of coconut oil, and I will go ahead and add in my cauliflower rice. Now I'm going to be cooking this on high heat. You want to make sure it's on high heat and that you are there stirring constantly. After 3 minutes of cooking, the water must have evaporated and dried off from the rice. I'm going to go back in and reintroduce our lime juice as well as our cilantro, our chopped cilantro. I'm also going to add in some salt and some black pepper. I'll keep on stirring. It took me about 7 minutes in total to cook the rice. You will know your rice is ready when the color changes from white to cream white. That's when you know it has been cooked as well. The water is gonna dry out, and yeah, it's basically ready at that point and it's ready to serve. So our rice is ready to be served. As you can see, it looks so gorgeous. I mean, those days that you want to go light, this is definitely your go-to substitute for rice. I'm also ready to serve it, so you can eat as much as you want. That's a good thing I love about my cauliflower rice or my zoodles. It's that you can eat as much as you want because you can never overeat your vegetables, guys. Remember. I'm just going to plate my food right now, and please make sure you don't go away because I'm going to be doing the taste test. You don't want to miss that, so keep watching, guys. It's time for the taste test. Oh my god, I cannot wait. I'll go first with the bell pepper. Next, onion and a piece of steak. So guys, this is delicious. Okay, you definitely want to give this recipe a try. It is so good. The steak melts in your mouth. It's so soft. I love this. Oh my god. And the cauliflower rice, can you see? Oh. The cauliflower rice has a lemony, cilantro-y taste to it. So good. So delicious. You can literally eat the entire pot of this. I mean, with your cauliflower rice, you can eat without the guilt. So good, guys. This was definitely good. The steak, simple, but this is what you go get in the restaurant. Much more expensive. You can make it at home. It's very simple, very quick to make. 30 minutes, you're in and out of the kitchen. Just look at that, guys. That steak is so juicy, and with the peppers. And the onions, so good. So good. My kids are having this with the lemon rice. Hubby and I are having cauliflower rice. So good. You can eat this without the guilt. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Have you ever tried the pepper steak before? If you haven't, please try it. So delicious and you will not regret it. Try it with the lime and cilantro cauliflower rice. It just adds please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. When you subscribe, guys, please hit that notification bell. There's a bell right next to the subscribe button. Hit it and make sure you select the all option. All means that all recipes that I upload or all videos, you'll be notified. Please select that option because a lot of people tell me that they don't get notification for my videos. That's because you don't select the all option. So every time I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to drink lots of water. Stay hydrated. Be well. Be safe. And until I see you in my next video, bye. Let me know if you want to see more of me come up. Do you want me to show my face in my video or just the recipes? Let me know. Thank you.